Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can check your Steam recap on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Steam recap on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Steam, and once you're in Steam, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your community here. So you're going to click at the bottom left corner of the page, and here you'll have your Steam recap. If you don't see it, then you're just going to click onto these three dots at the top right corner of the page and then click refresh. And once you click refresh, it will refresh and Steam recap will appear here. You're just going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will load Steam recap for you. And here you'll see your Steam recap. So you're going to scroll down. Here you can see how many games I've played, how many achievements I've unlocked, what's my most played game, and so on and on. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see your achievements unlocked, or you'll see what type of game do you play. And if you go even further, then you'll see your games played by month. So as you can see, I've played these games in what months. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to check your Steam recap on your phone. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.